What's up, gang? Today we'll be looking at my three losing trades on the NAS 100. It's May 16, 2024. I took three losing trades here. You can see my actually yesterday's losing trades were 143, 2020, and yeah, this was my losing trade yesterday. So we're starting here looking at my losing trades from today. So I'm having a bit of a little losing streak. I was actually up on this final trade, but I actually let it come back down, hit me out for $20 loss. I was thinking about moving my stops to break even, but I didn't. I was just a little hopeful, thinking that the market would have continued up. It didn't, so I faced the consequences of that. So let's look at the first trade. So the first trade I entered at 818, 808 yesterday, long side. So if we go to the 18 candle, you can see price didn't really move up today much. So there wasn't a big move to be caught regardless, unless you went downside at about 11. So I entered here at 18630.8, got stopped out at 18605.8, right? So I basically got stopped out. Is this accurate? Yep, I got stopped out on the 8 candle, so this is reflecting 8:30 the next day. I was in this trade for about 12 hours, got stopped out for a total loss of 2016. The next one I got stopped out in a matter of 6 minutes. Those are the ones that typically hurt, so I entered here long side, but downside was actually the move at 11 o'clock here. That was actually the bright move, but I actually did get a little move on the upside here. But while I was up, I didn't close it out, so that was my mistake. So I entered here at 18616.85, got stopped out at 18591.5 for a total loss of 20.44. So what was that? Yeah, exact same candle. Not much to see here. You can see downside was actually the move. It actually magnetized to that EMA there, huh? This is a 20 EMA. Let's look at my next buy side trade now. Was this 10 trade that I was in. I was up for a little bit, but I didn't close it nor move my stops to break even. And I basically faced the consequences of my poor decisions there. So I entered here at 18638.60, and then I got stopped out at 18613.40. 613.40. So you can see from my entry here, I was up at this point, and then I got stopped out on this. Yeah, I got stopped out on this candle. This didn't take me out. This gave me the final chance to stay in there at one at the entry. But because I wasn't even looking at the charts, I was just focusing on some other stuff. I wasn't making calculated decisions. And it's important to not do that. I would recommend anyone that if you're kind of busy or if you just have those trades set out, maybe you shouldn't be looking at the chart at all. Let your trade management just take over, and you win or you lose. Obviously, I was a little biased thinking that the market would have actually came to this. I'm not sure what to call this 1.272 retracement. So I was expecting it to kind of come take out this level. Who knows? It might even do that now. But currently, I'm in a sell. Moving on, let's look at the watch list now. Let's move the watch list over here. And I'm not even sure what the market did today. I had back-to-back jobs right through. Back-to-back jobs. I did a couple of faucets and a toilet, emergency call toilet, and then I went to do another job with the shower valve that keeps running water, filling up somebody's septic. I didn't get the solve on that, but I was still able to have a look at it and make an attempt, but definitely didn't work. Today we have Tesla at 174.8, same as yesterday. Bitcoin is just $700 lower. IMMR, I would expect it to be higher at 9.34. It seems like it's just rhyming with yesterday. It's exactly the price that we were at yesterday. If you recall, Bitfarms, is it the same as yesterday? 1.76. So Bitfarms is a little lower, but not much, nothing drastic. Nvidia, I think Nvidia came a little lower today. Yes, slightly lower, $4 lower at 940, because I could see SMCI fall off a bit, so I could tell that Nvidia might have came a little lower. AMC, I don't even want to see you because you took away my money. I really wonder, was that a move by like hedge funds or someone to just manipulate the market when everybody felt like the meme stock rally was about to happen? And that basically took away a lot of money, including mine. The people that made out were the people that purchased on the first day, got that rally, and sold it out the next day before market or immediately at market open. Otherwise, from that, it was just a complete sell off. AMD is at 161, so it's a little higher than yesterday. Very interesting. And I think SMCI is at like 904, 913, but we were at 904 earlier today. So we're at 913. Still much lower than yesterday. I'm not sure if it's just because of the Thursday exhaustion. Like, price didn't really do anything today. Stayed within the range as sucky Thursdays always do. So I would say today was typical Thursday. Thursday, no real move. Everything bounced and within the range. Nothing convincing document, I would say. IMMR holding higher though. And that's all I have to say about today. If you actually watch it this far, check out ChatGPT 4.0. I think we're gonna use it and max this out quickly before everyone realizes what's going on. If you're not this far, that's fine. I ran it up by myself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.